Hey, Nick Watson here at Joseph Motors. We're going to add a new vehicle to our YouTube page. This is a 2023 E-350 low ride step van. It's only got 2,200 miles on it. Johnny's going to go on the inside here. Power windows, power locks, a lot of goodies inside. Rear backup camera. It's got your steering wheel mounted controls. Armrests on driver and passenger. 10-ply Hankook tires. Perfect van for delivery. Bunch of applications you could do with this. It's got LED lighting in the back, tie downs in the back. It's got the middle door pass through there if you got to do something a little bit longer. Side door access. Well, if you got any questions about this unit, please give us a call at 919-661-2886. My name is Nick. Johnny's on the other side of the phone. Look us up at the website, josephmotorsnc.com. Have a great day.